Hello everyone and welcome back to Balki Khal. Today I'm going to do a mind reading trick with you and I'm going to read your mind, and I am not going to use the conventional mind reading where I have to look into your face or something like that. I can do it via this camera while you are seeing this video, just using mathematics and statistics. So stay tuned. Your mind is going to be blown for sure. And this is not the conventional or usual trick where I use some mathematics calculation to predict a number. This is completely different. That's why I think I should share this with you. So all you need to do is to follow my instruction, listen carefully what I'm saying, and then you have to follow. And if you follow correctly, I might be end up and reading your mind. Okay, so let's begin. So first thing first, all you need to do is to pick a number from 1 to 10. Any number you can pick from 1 to 10 random. Once you have picked your number, all you need to do is to multiply that number with 9. Okay, once you've done that multiplication, you must be ended up with a number. It might be a single digit number, it might be a two digit number. So if it's a single digit number, you have to keep it as it is, nothing needs to be done. But if it's a 2-digit number, all you need to do is to add those two number. For example, if I end up with number 31, so what I will do, I will add 3 and 1. 3 plus 1 will be 4. So 4 will be my number or the result. So you have to do it with your number. Once you multiplied the number with 9, you have to either keep it as it is if it's a single digit number, and if it's a 2-digit number, you have to add both the digits. Once you've done that, all you need to do is to subtract 5 from it. Let's suppose the final number I am having is 8, then I will subtract 5, so I will end up with 3. Once you subtracted 5 with your number, now you have to assign an alphabet to it. And how you will assign the alphabet, I will tell you. If your number is 1, you will assign A. If your number is 2, you will assign B. If your number is 3, you will assign C, like that. So you can assign an alphabet to it till number 9, because we must be ended with a single digit number. Okay. So once you have assigned your alphabet, now listen carefully. You have to think of a country from that alphabet. Let's suppose my alphabet is A, so I can think of Australia. So like that, you have to think a country for your alphabet. So once you have thought of your country, from the last alphabet of that country, you have to think a animal name. Okay, an animal, any animal you can pick. And once you have chosen your animal, from the last alphabet of that animal, you have to choose a color. And you can choose any color from the last alphabet of that animal. And if you have chosen your color, now I am ready with my guess. And my guesses is Denmark, orange, and kangaroo. So please let me know if I was able to predict your guesses. And if you want to know how to do this trick, please comment science, so I will tell you in the next video how to do it. So I hope you liked my video. This is quite unusual video that I made for this channel, but I find it worth sharing, so I did. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.